Hey everyone, this is Farhan Khan, blockchain architect, but today I'm using Chatgpt3 APIs. While I was testing, I thought that why don't I create a small JARVIS type application. JARVIS is a bot who used to speak with the Iron Man in his Iron Man movies. So I thought that if I need to create something like that, what APIs I should use. So I'm using right now Chatgpt 3.5 API with the Google Cloud Text to Speech API and Speech to Text API, along with the 3JS. It's a WebGL based library to augment it to do some sort of like a 3D augmentation on your web page. And so initially what you need to do is you need to select your audio. Once you select your audio driver, then you can ask the question. So let me ask a question. Hey Chatgpt3, can you tell me who is Nikola Tesla?
Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist who is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current (AC) electricity supply system. He held over 300 patents for his inventions and ideas, including advancements in X-ray technology, wireless communication, and remote control. Tesla's work helped to pave the way for the development of the modern power grid and other technological breakthroughs in the 20th century. He was widely recognized as one of the most important inventors and scientists of his time.
Write a simple smart contract in Solidity language.
A smart contract in Solidarity language would look something like this: contract agreement, UINT 256 public total supply. Mapping, address equals greater than UINT 256, balances. Function agreement, UINT 256 underscore initial supply. Public, total supply equals underscore initial supply. Balances.
So this is created on the Node.js application. You can download from my GitHub repository, and yeah, enjoy. Bye bye.